Like, it's amazing, these old historic buildings. They just look fantastic. Apart from the CCTV, I don't think that was original, but it looks like the lights were. And a lot of photographers love this gate here because there's no real new things to it, and it still has the cobblestone road, and I think, yeah, the train tracks as well. So this is the door that's very popular. You'll see it now in a second. I'll do a turn around, but you can see the old carts in the ground where they used to wheel the trolleys with all the barley and stuff. So that would be the famous shot there. Now this is a different lens, so it wouldn't work as well, but if you're interested, I'm going to kind of blend this in with my photography eventually. It's like going out and teaching bits of photography, as that was the original intent of the channel. So if you're interested in photography and walking, I'll be incorporating it. Ooh, look at me, big fancy words. Right, so I'm doing 5-minute videos because I think they're shorter and sweeter. The long 20-minute, half-an-hour ones, people just don't pay attention to them. So 5 minutes, even though people's attention span is like 30 seconds with Instagram and the likes, I thought I'd try out 5 minutes on YouTube, see how it goes. So this will be my second video of the thing, Guinness Warehouse. If you haven't seen the other video, check my other videos and you'll see the first one. Now we're coming down to, I believe this is Thomas Street. I think this is Thomas Street. And we're going to go for a little stroll and yeah, see what's going on. Now it is a Sunday, so it's probably a little quiet today. I can't get in there. There's this kind of old tower in the 157, but it looks like it's kind of owned by private renters. They rent out the buildings. Let's see if we can get the angle on it here. Might be able to see it. Yeah, you can kind of, yeah, there we go. You can see the tower there. I don't think it's visitable. So I'm gonna cross here and see if we can get a better view, and then we're gonna head down that way as well. What's inside? Yeah, the digital hub. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Almost Russian style. That's pretty cool. I like these funky things. There we go, that's a bit of a better view. A salty boy. And then here we have the Guinness main entrance. So 1759. Oh look, they updated to 2022. That was quick. Must have had a guy out here at, like, you know, the stroke of midnight on New Year's Eve to change it over. The story of Guinness. So I don't want to read the whole thing out because I'm oh no, so they have it rented for 9,000 year lease. So I do apologise, but that's all the information there if you want to pause the video and read up on it. But I'm sure most people, if not everybody, knows about the Guinness factory. Rupert Guinness. Hold on. This is gonna change now, isn't it? Yeah. Yes. So this is all still Guinness grounds, and then they still have all the containers down even on the right hand side here as well. So you have a lot of land.